One in every 5 Africans is a Nigerian by nationality. And I described it as the African heat. And SARS has gone underground, is in comatose, and the government thinks that it has solved the problem. No. That was a statement by young Nigerians that we are dissatisfied, that there are certain things that we want done. I hope that the administration in Nigeria will, in a very programmatic manner, begin to address those issues. And when I say the day Nigeria wakes up, if you have 250 million people, some of the most educated men and women in the world are Nigerians. There are more Nigerian doctors in the United States of America and the United Kingdom than there are in Nigeria. There are Nigerian engineers, there are Nigerian teachers, there are Nigerian business people. I mean, Nigeria is the engine. The Nigerian population is larger than the population of all ECOWAS countries combined. That tells you that if you make Nigeria great, it will be a magnet. And that is why I think deliberate effort must be made to make Nigeria stable. And Nigeria must also be renegotiated so that these tensions, I want the central administration to listen to what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. I want them to listen to what the Oduduwa is saying. I want them to listen to what the men are saying. Because when you have a conflict in your house with your children, what do? Do you beat them? You do stop talking to them? You call them at a table and you ask them, it is in our best interest that we retain this thing, but what is it that you don't like? And if you do that in humility, then you will listen to the people and restructure your country in a manner that makes it sustainable. It is doable. I remember those of you who are spiritually inclined, on the day that God was creating man, there was a conversation. He asked, and let us create man in our own image. There was a conversation in the heavens. Why can't we have a conversation here on earth?
We have African diaspora, Africans that were born in the diaspora, or Africans that were born here and then later moved to the West. Doc, there is this something that I've been saying on my channel, that it's time to make Africa home again.
Yes.
It's time for each and every African to know that Africa is home, and it's time for us to come together.